In this video, I'll show you how to fix a paper jam for a HP LaserJet M110W printer. The first thing you need to do is remove the power cable from the back of the printer. And now the first place I want you to check is the paper output tray, which is here. So it might be obvious. However, you might need to take a closer look at these rollers and see if you can find any paper that it's stuck. After that, remove any paper that's loaded in the printer at the bottom, and then take a quick look inside here and see if you can spot anything. You might not be able to reach it, however, a pair of tweezers could get the paper out. And finally, we're going to check in where the toner is. So just lift up this lid here at the top of the printer and then take a look inside, look to the left and right. If you can't see anything, go ahead and completely remove the toner. This will give you a better look and see if there's any paper that's stuck. And what you can also do is check the drum on the toner itself, as sometimes paper can get stuck in there. So that's pretty much it. Please let me know in the comments below if this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.